If you are looking at buying a new stock or fund, you might encounter a prospectus. Let's break down what this document is. A prospectus is a legal document required by the Securities and Exchange Commission that provides details about an investment offering. By law, companies must disclose their business model, financial health, and risks to ensure you have the full picture before investing. The document covers everything from the goals of the investment to the potential risks and the fees you will pay for the service. While a prospectus looks at the investment's future potential, an annual report serves as a scorecard for how the company performed last year. You will often find the expense ratio in the prospectus. Even small differences in these fees can significantly impact your long-term returns. The best approach is to treat the prospectus as your primary research tool. Don't skip the fine print when your money is on the line. Now you know what to look for when researching your next investment. Educational content, not financial advice. Subscribe for more basics.